Standard 10 Chemistry, Unit 2, Gas Laws and Mole Concept. Mole Concept. Mole is the unit to represent the amount of substance. From the number of moles in a certain mass of substance, the number of molecules and number of atoms can be calculated. 28 grams of nitrogen is given. Let us find the number of molecules and number of atoms present in this sample. The mass of an element in grams equal to its atomic mass is known as 1 gram atomic mass or 1 GAM of the element. The atomic mass of nitrogen is 14. 1 GAM of nitrogen is 14 gram. Let us calculate the number of GAM present in the given sample of nitrogen, that is 28 gram nitrogen. 28 by 14 is equal to 2 GAM. As you know, 1 GAM represents 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 atoms or Avogadro's number of atoms. As 2 GAM is present in 28 gram nitrogen, the number of atoms in this sample can be calculated. Number of atoms equal to Avogadro's number is called 1 mole of atoms. If so, how many moles of atoms will be there in 28 gram nitrogen? Nitrogen is a diatomic molecule. It means the molecular mass of nitrogen is 2 into 14, that's equal to 28 gram. The mass of a substance in grams equal to its molecular mass is called 1 gram molecular mass or 1 GMM of that substance. Molecular mass of nitrogen is equal to 28. Therefore, 28 gram of nitrogen is equal to 1 GMM. 1 GMM of any substance contains 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 molecules or Avogadro's number of molecules. 28 gram nitrogen represents 1 GMM nitrogen. How many molecules are present in 28 gram nitrogen? 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 molecules are present. 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 molecules is called 1 mole of molecules. How many moles of molecules are present in 28 gram nitrogen? 1 mole nitrogen molecule. Closely observe the example of nitrogen and complete the word diagram with characteristics of 64 gram oxygen. In this diagram, the first one, 64 by 16 is equal to 4 GAM. The second one is 4 into 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. Next answer is 4 moles of atoms. The fourth one is 64 by 32, that's equal to 2 GMM. The next one is 2 into 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 molecules. The last one is 2 moles of molecules.